Guys, today I'm freaking super excited because we're finally getting the IC7 mount done. I have the bracket right here. Well, I've been at the bracket. Let me just show you guys real quick. So I talked to the homie Cisco. He does custom fab work. So the IC7 screen is pretty much we're gonna make like a custom L bracket, and it's going to sit like where the triple meter is, and of course the triple meter is coming out because I have no use for it anymore. But yeah, so the triple meter is coming out, and the mount's gonna sit right here, and the screen's gonna sit on top of it. It's gonna look super rad, bro. I'm stoked about this. And yeah, you guys just subscribe to the channel. We're growing a lot. The retention is getting really high, so I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the videos to the end, all that stuff. And just make sure you guys share the videos. I really want this channel to hit 5,000 subs by like the end of the summer. So let's just get it, bro. We got gas, but at the same time, I'm still forgetting stuff. I feel like always forgetting stuff out of this car. I still want to get a Tome. I still want it. We already started working. We got the whole interior out already. He's kind of like me. He's kind of old school. You don't really try to like not to waste time and shit. But pretty much we have an idea of how we want to fab this thing up. So should be good. Should be real good. Remember this car from Oki. So while he's doing that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this thing off real quick, and then my radio actually has an extra USB where you can hook up like 2 phones at one time. And instead of running it this way like I originally planned, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it and bring it up through here. And that way if I have a passenger, or if I need to charge like my camera or something like that real quick, I don't have to like reach all the way over there and grab it. I think it look a little bit better in here. Plus it'll give me something to do. Alright, so we got the IC7 mounted up, and my dumbass forgot the screws for the IC7, so of course we zip tied it, but it looks good. I'll give you guys a little preview of what it looks like. You guys can see real quick. Boom. That looks so much better. Alright, so started this video yesterday. Working on this thing right here. There's some runoff on the clear coat, so I got to fix that. And I actually filmed this whole thing in slow-mo yesterday, so I'll probably throw some of that in there so you guys can see. But overall, it's not bad. Unfortunately, I do have to sand this thing back down real quick, but I got a better grit of sandpaper. And it's gonna help me out a lot because I couldn't get the sandpaper that I actually needed. So I have it now, and yeah, I'm tired. I didn't get enough sleep last night. All right, so I just hit this with some with the 320. I went to 400, 800, 1500, 2000, and I actually went over the whole thing with 2000 and 3000 grit. just to make sure the surface area is like really smooth, which it is. I don't want to touch it because I just cleaned it. I cleaned it with water and a rag, the clean rag, and then I hit it with some isopropyl alcohol and a rag to make sure the surface area was really clean. So I'm gonna try to hit this now with some clear coat. Hopefully I don't fuck it up again, but if I do, I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm not trying to get it like perfect, but you know, I might as well try to be as good as I can. So there's that. But anyway, if you guys like the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also, we're using this Rust-Oleum. It's UV resistant, so definitely need that. Not so much now, but having this out in Okie would have been great, because the clear coat does get abused in Okie if you don't have a garage. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to this, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Hi there. This is turning out much better than it did before. There is still some drip right there, but I mean, as long as there's none on the top, that's all I really care about. And this is like a DIY. Is that how you say it? I think that's how you say it. But yeah, I'm much happier with this result than the last one. The last one was like really bad. I mean, I'm not a professional painter. I don't know anything really about doing clear coat and stuff like that. It's just that out here in California, bro, they be taxing for everything. Like, somebody told me it would cost me $300 to get this thing re-cleared. And I'm just like, $300? Like, this, it's barely like 2 feet long, you know what I'm saying? Like, I felt that was like a little bit outrageous. And that's pretty much like the going rate out here. So that's the reason why I decided that I would just go ahead and try this. And I found my camera tripod magically. It was in the GLA. Imagine that. But I'm gonna wait a couple of more minutes. I'm gonna put some more clear coat on. I want to do a lot of coats because I don't want this thing to, you know, have an issue again. Although I'm pretty sure that it won't, and the reason is because like the car's in the garage now, so it's not going to be sitting out in the elements. And I do want to get this entire car PPF'd, and I'm kind of bummed out that I fucked the video up and I filmed the entire thing in slow motion. But I'm just kind of admiring my work here, and I'm pretty proud of myself. So all the materials, I would say, it cost me less than $60, and I just did it, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can do it too. Also, make sure you like the video. We're trying to hit 5K subs. I want to get at least 500 views on each video, and I'm out here doing it for y'all. So make sure you share the content. You feel me? So this is already looking much better. I think I'm gonna throw one more coat on here just to be on the safe side, and then tomorrow morning I have to wake up extremely early to check this thing out, because I have to go to West Covina tomorrow because I have something to do out there, and I need to make sure this thing is like ready to go. And so I need to go get some wax. That way tomorrow morning, if it's all good, I can you know, just throw the wax on there and be done. If not, I'll have to get like some 3000 grit sandpaper and wet sand it one more time, and then, you know, just make it really smooth and like really clear. It's a little bit cloudy, so I think I might have to do that, but I'm still gonna throw one more coat on there just to give me that warm and fuzzy, and then we'll be done for now. And I'll be back with this vlog tomorrow morning, early. Man, the car never stops. Welcome back, guys. And this the next day. It's the morning time. I brought the flashlight out so you guys can see the clear coat a little bit better. It looks like I am going to have to wet sand this with 3000 grit just a little bit, because it's not as clear as I want. I'm trying to get closer so you guys. I don't know how good it's gonna show on camera though. I really don't. So let me try to hit this with some 3000 grit and some wet sand real quick, and then I'll be right back with y'all. All right, guys. So just hit it with the sandpaper, and I went ahead and hit it with this Chemical Guys butter wax to protect a little bit more, and it's way better. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. I will be looking at this later today to see how it did in the sunlight, but it's not perfect. Like I said, there's like a lot of imperfections in the clear coat, but the fact that you can take a picture of it now and it doesn't look like shit, that's basically all I wanted, and I think I achieved that. So give this video a thumbs up. And this is not the only video that I'm doing today, so I actually got to get all this stuff cleaned up because I'm going to West Covina to do something else. So make sure you stay locked into the channel. I'm trying to make as much good content as I can. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.